Hey guys, if you are looking for a place to learn how to make a Nigeria perfect stew, this place is for you. Let's get started.
Check it out. Check it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to Blessed Kitchen TV. I greet you all. So today we'll be making deliciously Nigeria stew. Here is my onions, my fresh tomatoes parboiled, my crayfish, and salt, maggi, and curry. I have my tin tomatoes here, and I also have my oil. And I have my meat boiled already, my meat water, my pots, my cookie pots. Let's get started. I pour my oil inside the pot. I will give the oil time to hot. Then I will now pour my sliced onions inside. So my oil is hot, time to put the onions. I'll give the onions time to fry very well before I will add my tomatoes. Yeah, my onions is dry to my taste. Then I will now go ahead to add my tin tomatoes. Yes, you heard me right. I will first of all put my tin tomatoes to fry before I will add my fresh one. Do you know why? Because the fresh tomatoes is already cooked, but this tin tomatoes is not yet cooked. I know, yeah, there was some people say yes, they cook it. Yes, I also think so before. I used to cook it like that before, but the taste is not the same. Guys, when you try your cooking, when you try your stew, try making your stew this way. First of all, fry your tomatoes to your tin tomatoes to your taste. So my tin one is be fries to my taste. Now I will now add my fresh tomatoes together. The rest ingredients will follow. Yes. I'm adding another water because that water is too little to cook my stew. Yeah. At this point, I adding my meat. When I add my meat, I will turn it and cover the stew to done. I'll give the stew time to done, as I said. So guys, my stew is ready. Very yummy and tasty. Try and make your stew like this. You will thank me later. Bye guys. See you for my next video. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe for this channel for more video like this, greater than this. Love you all. Love you guys. Bye.